What? Why? How many dogs can pile on me, huh? How many dogs can pile on Mama? What do you want? What? Trying to keep you guys from piling on Uncle Burt. Oh, there. Oh, my God. We got it. Oh, everyone cleared off. Everybody cleared off. Where you going, Burt? Come here. Come here. Careful. You got to watch out. There's Lucy. What? Oh, no. No more kisses. I didn't do it. I didn't do it. Louis, what are they doing over here? Huh? Hi, baby. My baby. What do you think, Uncle Burt? No fighting over there. You're not listening. No wrestling in the bed. Uh-oh. What? What do you want? Oh, no. Oh, no. Boone. Boone kisses. Hi, Boone. Whoa. Careful, Uncle Burt. You gotta stay away from him.